Hi legends, the price of Bitcoin is building up pressure here at the moment. And are we building up pressure to go back to the upside, or are we building pressure to find continuation to the downside where the bears will take control once again? Also yesterday in our Legends trading community, first link down in the description if you'd like to join the community, is we highlighted this possible trade here to the upside, okay? Where we tapped the daily level, we consolidated a bit, and then the trade played out to perfection, guiding the community each step of the way, where I then highlighted where are my profit taking areas, tracking the momentum, playing the breakout here to the upside. Then the next one where I was showing the legends, okay, TP1 got hit. I took a little bit of profits to cover the stop loss and the fees, and I protected my position, expecting more momentum here to the upside. And then this trade just played out beautifully here to the upside to perfection, where we claimed the high and we started getting rejection here by the daily level, where I took most of the profits and left some of the position open for higher levels. Also remember, if you'd like to come and trade with me, under exchanges, the first link, Bluffin, with up to an $80,000 bonus depending on how much you deposit and trade, no KYC required, proof of reserves, currently one of the exchanges that I'm using to do most of my day trading. I do still take some trades here on Bybit with a 20% fee reduction when you use the link down below. Also 𝗖𝗍 with the lowest fees currently still in the market, up to a $20,000 bonus depending on how much you deposit and trade. Go down, go sign up, come trade with me. Let's go and analyze the price of Bitcoin together. Looking at Bitcoin here on the 15-minute time frame, just looking at this entire structure here to the upside, I'm still keeping an eye here on this bull flag, okay? Definitely a possibility. We also have some bullish CVD against this pivot and these pivots over here, of which the target is the high. Usually the highest point between the bullish CVD is what's considered the target. Okay, legends, and where we are currently trading, you can see when I take a fixed range profile of this consolidation area that we are inside here, you can see that we are currently finding strength here and not losing the point of control of this range over here. And if we do lose this point of control of this range that we're currently finding a little bit of a consolidation, you know, the game of the probability states, if you reject by the top and you do not find strength here by the point of control, okay, and we start losing the point of control, you do increase the probabilities of coming back to the bottom of this range, okay? So it's either back to the bottom where you find strength, back to the top where we could potentially then see the breakout here to the upside, or we find strength and we're building up that pressure here at the moment where we could see the breakout here to the upside. The question is, what are the levels if we do get a successful breakout from this zone where the pressure is building up at the moment? Perhaps the market waiting for the CPI data to come out today at 2:30 Central European time. Maybe it's building up strength for momentum here to the upside, or it's creating a fake out for more continuation to the downside. Some of the key levels that I will watch over here is a potential swing failure pattern, okay, from the high over here where you break out, you fail miserably, and you find continuation back to the downside. Another area of confidence that I'm watching is if we do find strength here above this pivot over here, here is a naked daily point of control, also confluence with another naked point of control at $64,500. So definitely an area of resistance, massive resistance lying above. So if we do find strength over here, we reject in this area, what you would like to see is a higher low form for continuation here to the upside. Looking at Bitcoin here on the 1 hour time frame, legends, we have to acknowledge that we are now back at the value area low of the entire range that we formed since March this year, okay? And we are currently, together with this point of control, consolidating above this value area low over here. And the rule for the value area low, like I always highlight, if I zoom in to the 4 hour time frame, or if I zoom out onto the 4 hour time frame, you can see when you get acceptance, okay, let me just do this. When you get acceptance outside of the range and you get acceptance back below, okay, you're going to come and tap the bottom of the range once again, okay? When you get acceptance or a deviation at the bottom, you get acceptance back above, you then go and tap the top of the range once again. Was this just a massive deviation here to the bottom, okay? And we are now finally going to get acceptance back inside this range. What you would like to see is for price to move up here, okay, form that higher low and not lose this area again for continuation here to the upside. What we do not want to see happen over here, legends, if we do get the breakout here to the upside, okay, let me just take this out, clean it up a little bit. If we do get the breakout here to the upside, okay, and you swing failure from that high that I've just identified on the smaller time frames, and you get acceptance back below the value area low of this range, you do increase the probabilities that you can come still claim the low over here, okay? But there's still a lot that needs to happen inside of this structure before we can just go and call once again for a $49,000 Bitcoin. Then looking at Bitcoin again on the 1 hour time frame, something that I'm also still keeping in mind when I go back here onto the 1 hour time frame and I zoom into this price structure over here, okay, when I take a fib, a normal fib here from the high to the low, that the recent low that we've made over here, you can see where we got the rejection, okay? We got the rejection here by the 0.618 fib level. A little bit further up, almost in confluence with the point of control of this entire range on the 4 hour time frame, we also have the 786 that can definitely offer resistance here to the upside. So what you would like to see is, if price is building up the strength to break out here to the upside, you want to claim the 0.618 level, and then this area is going to be a very interesting area, okay? Definitely what you would like to see for bullish momentum to continue is perhaps a rejection, and then you want to see that higher low form over here for continuation to the upside to come and claim the top of the range once again. Okay, but this value area low over here needs to hold for the bulls to still have a chance for a bullish structure and continuation here to the upside. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy the content, smash up the like. If you're not subscribed to the channel as yet, hit that subscribe for future notifications. And until the next one, cheers for now.